In this next video, I want to show you another great traffic generating option, which is to do blog posts. So I'm going to take you over to Google Blog Search. Just go ahead and go to Google Blog Search into Google. You can just type that in, and it will be just simply blogsearch.google.com. So go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to go ahead and click on up here and type in a keyword related to the niche. So I'm going to kind of step outside the niche I've been promoting in this series, and we're just going to say, let's talk about weight loss. Let's say weight loss, and then we're just going to click on search blogs. And this is going to just function just like Google search engine, but it's going to pull up weight loss blogs. So you see here this blog called easyweightLossTips.net comes up, and this would actually looks kind of like a bad website, so we're just going to go ahead and go somewhere else. And let's see, 20 pounds in 3 months, natural weight loss tips. That looks interesting. So let's go ahead and just click on that. And what we're looking for is for an opportunity to go ahead and make a post or a comment. So right here where it says leave a comment, this is where what you would do here is just simply read this article, and as it applies, if it applies, you would go ahead and just simply plug in your name, email, your website, and then a comment. And your name, just use your real name. Your email, use the email, and then your website, whatever site you're trying to promote. You don't want to put your affiliate link there because this will help build backlinks to your website, which will help your site rank in the search engines. And when you're making your comment, try to make comments that are relevant to the content being shown on the page. So keep that in mind. So we're going to go ahead and let's see here, weight loss update. So fat guy on a little bike. This looks like an intriguing story. So what you could do, since very recent story actually, you could just go ahead and put in the name, email, the website, and then just make a comment. Maybe it's an encouraging comment you make, but you don't want to just go around and just say thank you, great post, or that's a great post, because they know kind of what your objective is, most site owners. So you want to try and say, I like this point of this, so put a little thought into this. But Google Blog Search is really the only spot you need to go to do this, because you'll find all sorts of blogs. Now, we could just step outside into another niche, depending on whatever niche we're in, and let's just say bird watching, and search blogs, and this will bring up all sorts of blogs talking about bird watching. And so you would go ahead and look for the bird watching blogs, and you would be looking for an opportunity to go ahead and make comments on that, because that is targeted and related to your keywords. It will carry more weight in the search engines, plus the audience and people reading that blog are focused on what you have to offer. So there's just a lot of different opportunities to find blogs out there with Google Blog Search. So this is a very powerful method. I'm going to show you just one more quick example. So let's say six-pack abs, and then we're just going to do search blogs. So here's truth about six-pack abs, and they don't have a comment feature, so I'm glad they don't, because now you can show the process here. Can I get six-pack abs doing the elliptical trainer? Six-pack abs exercises made easy. That looks like a post that would work. This is on like an article directory, but we still might be able to make a comment. So you can even do this with article directories as well. Okay, here's one, discoveryhealthcares.org. So just go ahead right here. It says leave a reply. You just put in your name, mail, website, URL, whatever you're promoting, Weebly site, the free site that you created with Weebly, your affiliate site, just a site where your offer is. Whatever you want to put in there, just make sure it's some sort of thing. The best thing to do is to use, the main website you're trying to promote, because that'll help you in the search engines. And then just make your relevant comment and click on submit. It's as simple as that, and there's not much more you can do, but you kind of get the hang of it. So you're just going through these blogs, finding good articles, and you're just looking for ones that allow you to comment. And that's the first thing I look for before I get into it, is just make sure I can make a comment, and then I would just go and start just making comments. So if you try and do 5 of these a day, by the end of the month you'll be out there on 150 different websites doing this. So it can be very, very powerful, and it can be a greatly powerful method for promoting your business online.